Hello traders, my name is Zubeyr. Welcome to Royal FX Traders. As you see on the screen, Silicon Valley Bank collapse. Silicon Valley is one of the 16th largest US banks. US regulators rushed the size of the assets of Silicon Valley on Friday after a run on the bank. The largest failure of financial institution once the height of financial crisis more than a decade ago. Silicon Valley, the country's 16th largest bank, failed after depositories, most technology workers and ventures capital brokers and companies hurried to withdraw their money this week as anxiety of the banking situation spread. The bank could no longer cope with the massive withdrawals of its customers, and its attempts to raise new money did not succeed. Also, as you see here, dollar weakness this morning for the London session, as you see here, because of the ongoing US bank crisis. So in this video, we are going to analyze what's going on the Forex market. First, we will start with the US dollar. Dollar, as you see here, last Friday we had NFP news came out last Friday, and as you see here, US dollar has going sell direction. So we are going to look where US dollar is going. So if we check this trend line, as you see here, for 1 hour time frame, we can see that after this correction we had large impulse, and then US dollar retest this trend line as you see here. What I am expecting US dollar is to at least reach these levels. So guys, US dollar, as you see here, the structure that is formed here is kind of ascending channel. So we are expecting US dollar to be bearish this week. So we will see how it performs, guys, and I will update you later for this. Another pair that I want to share with you is Euro index. So Euro, guys, as you see here, we have bearish market as well on Euro index. So Euro index, we are hoping also to reach this level, and as you see, if we go down for 1 hour time frame, we can also see that now the price action is retesting here, and we are waiting little correction here, guys, and then another impulse. So this is Euro index. Also, guys, there is another interesting price action on NZD, New Zealand index. If we check together here, we can see that New Zealand we have here for continuation on buy direction. So what we can see here is that we have double bottom here, and then we have another impulse, and now the price is retesting again. So guys, what I'm expecting for this NZD is that at least to retest back in here, and then to go buy direction. So also we will see how it perform on New Zealand. One possible is that, another possible, guys, that can happen is that it can also retest and make another impulse, another touch here, and then all the way up. So guys, now I'm going to show you there are some pairs that we are expecting this week. The first one, guys, is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, as you see here, we have double top here, and as you see here, it didn't reach yet for the double top, but we based on for an NZD index, guys, because if NZD index goes buy direction, Euro NZD of course will go sell direction. And also, guys, I showed with you for Euro. Now if we check together for New Zealand, as you see here, for this trend line, guys, we have so many retests. For you can see here, whatever whenever the price touches the trend line, it was retesting. So now we have here for the third touch, and this trend line actually shows us that there is higher possibility that Euro NZD can go sell direction. Of course, it can also reach from this double top to make another one more impulse, as you see here. Let me show you. Yes, to be there, and then for all the way down. But I'm not expecting for that, because if you look for this, there is another structure, guys, in here for the inside of Euro NZD. You can see that there is another short trend line that I draw it here. It breaks the trend line, so that means now we are just expecting for a little correction and then continuation. So if we just look for 1 hour time frame, yes, you can see that the price breaked here and then it retested. Now we are waiting for another continuation. Of course, if you check also for 15 minutes, you can see that now we have here for one large impulse, and then this is a correction. Of course, it can reach here again, and then we can have another downtrend. So of course, the price of Euro NZD is quite lovely, guys, as you can see here. And also there is another JBP USD that I'm looking for this week. If we look together, we can see that for starting from daily time frame, we can see that JBP USD is on large correction. So if we look this channel, we can see that JBP USD make one huge impulse in here, and then it break this trend line, as you can see, guys, here. So what I'm expecting from JBP USD this week is that to make a large correction here, guys, for now we are in 4 hour time frame. Because of it break here, now we are expecting another correction here, and then one last impulse. So, guys, of course, as we analyze it, USD, we say that dollar can go sell direction this week, because we see that some news is coming from it, like bank crisis going on USD. So we will see how it performs for that one. But really, GBP USD, the price action is also lovely, and I'm expecting at least, guys, if this correction forms here, we will wait 245 pips. So this is really nice. Guys, also I want to share with you euro dollar. If we check together, euro dollar is same as GBP USD, guys. The structures are the same. We have here, if you check for 4 hour time frame, we can also see that we have here for two touch and double bottom. Guys, as you can see here, we have double bottom. So this double bottom, we can see euro dollar make impulse, and now also it break this trend line. So I'm expecting also the same as another correction here, guys. As you see here, the price is going now. So once it reach here and forms correction or steep flag, we will see like how it forms, and then we are waiting another continuation. So until these level areas, which we call ninth rule. So we will see how also it performs, and there is 140 pips for US dollar. What I'm also expecting this week is AUD NZD, guys. AUD NZD, if we can see, if we look the whole structure starting from daily time frame, we can see that AUD NZD was sell direction in bearish market, as you see here. If we check now, going down from 4 hour time frame, we see that it forms here impulse, guys, for impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So what I'm expecting from AUD NZD is another short correction here, guys, from short correction here, and then one more time continuation from and these level areas, guys. So AUD and ZD, of course, I'm expecting a sell, guys, as same as like I expect for NZD for buy direction. So if we look together for the 1 hour time frame, yes, now from 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that AUD and ZD is in correction. Now it breaks this trend line. Let me draw you guys. Yes, as we see, it breaks this trend line. Of course, we are expecting again for a sell direction this week. There is also, guys, one last possibility that can happen from this. Is it possible for this pair to retest again from that direction? Yes, of course it's possible, but it's like if we look the possibility now, there is of course this what I'm expecting as much as it make a correction here. So we will see, guys. Now we are just waiting another impulse and correction, and then 15 minutes, then guys, total we are expecting this week 287 pips. So we will see how it performs as well. Last but not least, guys, I want to share with you is of course NZD USD. Guys, as we analyze it, JPP USD, Euro USD, as you see, NZD USD is same as structure for JPP USD and Euro USD, because all these pairs, they are depend on USD. When USD goes a sell direction, of course, all these pairs will go buy direction. So if we analyze NZD USD, we can see that, guys, we have here for double bottom as well, and then for this double bottom we have this large channel forming here, which we call descending channel. So if we look here, we have multiple touches in here, and then it break. Now we are just waiting correction, and then one more buy direction. So if we, guys, check together for what's going on 1 hour time frame, of course, we can see that, guys, now the price goes and it makes its rejection here. So we are expecting same as another downtrend and then one last impulse. So we will see how it performs as well. That's for today, guys. See you. Any more updates, of course, I'm always sharing with you guys. You can keep us from our Telegram channel. I'm always sharing there.